Arm yourself for survival. Survival is not just about enduring the elements. It's about preparation, strategy, and resilience. Whether facing natural disasters, economic collapse, or unforeseen crises, having the right mindset and tools can mean the difference between life and death. First, knowledge is your most powerful weapon. Learn essential survival skills such as fire starting, shelter building, first aid, and self-defense. The more you know, the less reliant you are on external resources. Second, equip yourself with the right gear. A well-stocked survival kit should include a multi-tool, water purification system, non-perishable food, a sturdy knife, and emergency medical supplies. Firearms and self-defense weapons can provide protection in dangerous situations but require responsible handling and legal awareness. Third, develop a survival plan. Identify escape routes, stockpile essential supplies, and stay informed about potential threats. Build physical endurance and mental toughness to handle high-stress situations effectively. Finally, community and networking can enhance your chances of survival. A strong support system can provide security, knowledge sharing, and resources during emergencies. In an unpredictable world, being prepared is not an option, it's a necessity. Arm yourself with knowledge, gear, and a plan to ensure you and your loved ones stay safe.